Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel CNC for TDM. In this video, I have explained how to take cut in turning in absolute and incremental mode. So, how to use U and W, which are non-modal commands. So, basically, U, it is a cut in x-axis incremental mode, and W, it is a cut in z-axis in incremental mode. So this basically I have explained the use of U and W and along with the G0 and G01. Okay, so this is a profile here, turning the diameter is 2 inches, and here this is our part coordinate system x0 z0. So this depth is z minus 1 here in z axis, and this is at minus 3, this point, and this x2, this is diameter 2 inches x dia, and here it is 1.5 inch, and at the starting point this diameter is 0.9106 inches. Okay, so there are 3 columns. In first column I have explained how to take cut in absolute mode. Okay, so in first line, if you see here G00, G00 means it is a rapid move, X 0.9106. So X is here 0.9106 and Z is 0.1. 0.1 means this is a safety plane or retract plane. So up to retract plane, this tool will come rapidly here, making an angle of 45 degree up to this length, and then it will take a straight move to this point here. So this tool will come 0.1 mm away from this surface, from this face. So it will come at Z 0.1 and X and rapidly it will come up to this point here. This is the position of the tool. Then in next move, if you see here G01, G01 means linear cut in X 1.5 and Z minus 1. So both dimensions I have given here, X and Z. So it will cut this taper and it will come up to this point, where this point is Z minus 1 and X is 1.5. X is 1.5. So diameter is 1.5 and Z is minus 1. So this will cut this taper up to this point. Okay. Then in next move, if you see here G01, X 1.5, Z minus 1. Okay. And feed is also given here 0.006. So this is feed in inches. So this will come up to this point. Then again next cut is Z minus 3. That means G01, because G01 is a modal command. Unless you change it, it will remain here. So Z minus 3, it will come up to Z minus 3 here. And next move X2. X2 means it will come upside up to this. So this is the move in absolute mode. So how the cutter will move from this point to this point and like this. Okay. So in second column, if you see here, this is incremental mode. So how we have to give the commands in incremental mode? So I have explained it here. And first, if you see G00, same command, G00, X 0.9106 and Z 0.1. So tool will come in this also up to this point here in incremental also. Then in next, if you see G01, then this move is in G01 means linear cut, U 0.5894 and W minus 1.1, F is 0.006. So if you see here W means it is in x-axis, incremental x-axis, 0.5894. How it will come here? If you subtract from this diameter 1.5, from 1.5, if you subtract this 0.9106, then this will be 0.5 2894. So in x-axis, this move is this much in incremental, because now this point is 0, 0. When 0.9106 it is 0 here, x0, z0, then it will move from here to this point. This point is 0.5894 inches, the height. Okay. And in W it is minus 1.1. Why it is 1.1? Because it was at Z 0.1 here, 0.1 plus Z minus 1, it becomes 1.1. So in incremental mode, it will be W minus 1.1. Okay. And then next move is from here, because if this is your 0, okay, then again next is W minus 1.9. So because it has come 1.1 here, so now it is 3 minus 1.1, it is 1.9. W minus 1.9, because this point becomes 0 now, and from here to here it will be 1.9. So W minus 1.9. And then in next move, U 0.5. In x-axis, it will move 0.5 only, 0.5 inches, because here this is 1.5, this dimension is 1.5, and this is 2. So 2 minus 1.5, it becomes 0.5. So the difference is 0.5. So this way it will move in incremental mode in x-axis. U is incremental mode in x-axis and W was in z-axis. Okay, so this was incremental mode. In next, it is mixed. Absolute and incremental, both commands are there. So how it will move now? G00, first line is same, x 0.9106, z 0.1. So tool will come here at this point. Now G01, x 1.5. So x, it is a absolute dimension, absolute mode. G01, x 1.5 means in x-axis absolutely it will come to this 1.5 inches diameter. And in W means it is now in the same block. This is given in incremental mode, because it is a non-modal, it is block active only. So this command is W minus 1.1. So from here it will take this 0 in z-axis and it will move to 1 minus 1.1. From here z.1 to z minus 1, it becomes minus 1.1. So W minus 1.1 and F is this much. Okay. In next move, Z minus 3, because this is modal command, it is running here, and Z minus 3, so it will cut up to this minus 3. Okay. Then in next, again it is in incremental mode U 0.5. So from here this point now becomes 0, 0, x0, z0, and in x-axis it will move vertically. So distance is only 0.5. So this way, these are the commands, how we have to give the commands in absolute mode, incremental mode, and in mixed absolute and incremental. So I think you have learnt this. So how to give commands in turning like this. So thank you for watching. See you in next video. Thank you.